if the screen of your Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G is frozen or stuck. So in this video, I will show you how you can fix this issue. Now to fix the screen frozen issue on your tablet, just perform a force restart on your Galaxy Tab A9. Now to do that, just press and hold the power button and the volume down button at the same time until you see the Samsung logo on the screen. Now let's press and hold the power button and the volume down button. Now just keep pressing and holding the power button and the volume down button until you see the Samsung logo on the screen. And after you see the Samsung logo on the screen, just release both of the buttons. And once the force restart process is completed, then just check if your issue is fixed or not. Now in most of the cases, this will fix your issue. But after you do that, then just go to Settings and tap on Device Care. And from here, just tap on Storage and check if you have enough storage on your tablet or not. Because most of the time, these issues appear when you have low storage on your tablet. So make sure you delete some data on your tablet, like any app which you are not using, or you can upload any photos or videos to the cloud and you can delete them from your tablet to free up some space. Now after that, just go back and tap on Memory. And from here, just tap on Clean Memory. Now after you do that, you will fix the screen frozen issue on your tablet. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.